Good morning, my friends. Today I'm doing a Dutch pour on a canvas that I scraped that I didn't like. So we will get started. Alright, I'm going to blow out this base really quick. I'll be right back. Okay, and on the top I'm going to put white. This is Blue Violet by Amsterdam. Hope you guys are doing good today. It's a lovely day here in Georgia. Ooh, that's a lot. Well, maybe not. It's a big canvas. Alrighty. Alright, let me do this one. Now, let's give it a torch. Torcharoo. Okay. All right, so the colors I'm going to use are, we'll start with Red Violet. Same one I used for my last Dutch pour. Well, for the base anyway. Alright, so I'm going to add some of that. Now, I kind of want, let's see, I want the design to go across here, obviously. Like so. But then, I kind of want it to like go this way a little bit. Like up, we'll see. And this one, I kind of want it to go way up, like this. Okay, we'll see. And this may sound crazy, but I'm adding a little yellow, which seems odd, but why not? Okay, and a little pink. Okay, and this is Windsor blue. Add some of that up in here. Let me get a little more here. I got some in a cup. Ooh, I hope I don't spill it. It'll be a mess. Okay. Might need a little more up here. Alright. And I might give it a little touch of this iridescent blue-green, just a little. Make this colorful. What do you think? Got all kinds of stuff in it. And then I'm going to add some copper. Copper. And gold. And that's it. Oh, and white, obviously. I always put a little bit. Not a lot, just a little. Look at that big old wad of paint up there, Lord. Woo. Okay. So, and then I'm going to add a little bit, you know. Oh, no. Did y'all see that? Wow. Well, hold on a minute. Got to fix that. Woo, that's a lot. Oh, my goodness. That's crazy. Well, I tell you what, I'm going to leave it there and just blow it off because I ain't even going to try to save it. Okay. I didn't put the lid back on. Learn from that, that's for sure. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so I'm going to add some of this. Just so it'll blow well. Okay. Give it a torch. Oh my gosh. Hilarious. Look at that. Oh, well, that was a waste of paint, right? Goodness. Live and learn, I guess. Okay. I won't be blowing anything over here. That's extreme. But let's go. Maybe a little this way. Oh my gosh. Maybe I can blow it this way. You think? Yeah, maybe. It don't matter. It don't matter. Goodness. Okay, I guess I can start over here with my mess. Here we go. Let's see, I'm gonna go this. Wow. I wasted a lot of white, but it sure is pretty. I really like it. All right, let me just pick at it a little. Wow, look at the cells. Goodness. Here, let's see. This right here is kind of, I can always make a little fancy thing here and there. There we go. And this probably got a lot of paint in it. Wow. I'll have to play with that a little bit, because that might be a mess if I don't. Yeah, I'm going to have to play with that. Like get rid of some of the tried to get rid of the white, but it didn't work so well. Yeah, okay, what I'm gonna do, actually, and I'll show you, since there's a lot of paint right there, I am just gonna do, you can take a paper towel and just dab it and fix it. So I can, if I need to add a little more white, I will. I probably won't have to. Just kind of get rid of that and then put a little more maybe and fix it. Let's see, if I have any left, that is. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I got a little bit. Okay. Maybe I can. That's a little bit better. And maybe over here make a little bit, just to make it pretty. See, it's easy. You just drag your finger along and make some pretty things. Oh my goodness, that's my dog. I have a German Shepherd. She barks at everything under the sun. Ooh, mister. Alrighty, well I'm just gonna pick at this a little more and finish it up. Let me know what you think. Hey, be quiet! Give her a hard time. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm just going to pick at it. I will show you the end result at the end. I'll take a short video for you, okay? Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.